Hi everyone, welcome back. Here in this video we are going to learn how to delete all blank row once in Excel data. For example, here I have some data of sales representative wise targets, and here I have blank row after every non-blank row, and my requirement here is to delete all these blank rows. For this you can select any column of your data this way, then press Ctrl G in the keyboard. This will open the go to dialog box. Click on the special button, then click on blanks, then click OK. Now it selects all the blank cells here in this column. Now right click in your mouse, click on delete, then choose this entire row option, then click OK. Now here you see all the blank row are deleted and only the row with the data remains here. So this is the process of deleting all blank row once in Microsoft Excel data. This much for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to learn more, please go to the channel's video page and browse for the videos of your interest. And if you are new here, I request you to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on next video tutorial.